An entity negotiate with the major airlines to purchase a ticket on a reduced rate compared with the price of tickets sold directly by the airlines to public. The entity agrees to buy a specific number of tickets and will pay for those tickets even if it is not able to resell it. The reduced rate paid by the entity for each ticket purchase is negotiated and agreed to the advance. Entity determines a price at which the airline ticket will be sold to its customers. Entity sells the tickets and collects the consideration from the customers when the tickets are sold. Therefore, there's no credit risk to entity. The entities also assist the customer in resolving the complaints with the service provided by the airlines. However, such airline is responsible for a fulfillment obligation associated with the tickets, including remedies to customer or satisfaction with the services. Determine whether the entity is a principal or an agent are suitable for explanation in light of provision given the relevant standard. Section 115. To determine whether the entity's performance obligation is to provide the specific goods or service itself or to arrange for another party to provide those goods and service, entity consider nature of promise as per Ind AS 115. The entity conclude that it is a promise to provide ticket, that is a right to fly to the customer. On the basis of this condition, the entity concludes that it controls the ticket before it is transferred to the consumer. Does the entity conclude that it is a principal in the transaction and recognize the revenue in the gross amount of consideration to which is entitled to exchange for ticket transfer?